Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing part 3 of the Fidgets from a friend that I got a couple days ago. But yeah, this right here actually, we had another fidget like this from the same brand. This is pretty similar to it. This was the first one to be unboxed from this package, so you guys can check out this video right here. And yeah, this thing's pretty cool. And yeah, check out the video where I unboxed this. You guys will get an idea of what kind of fidget it is. And yeah, I think this is like the version 2 of this thing. Alright, and it's also got like a card. So push egg LB. This thing's 1 pound, Jesus Christ. So this is titanium, steel, copper, number 134 out of 210. That's pretty cool. This thing is 1 pound. Jesus Christ. Alright, so we'll put the box over there. That's pretty cool. That thing spins for a really long time. So yeah. Okay, this is a lot smoother than this one. This is like a 2-click from Tracks over there. And yeah. And it doesn't rotate, so it's just like a... So there's only 2 things you can do with this thing: is spin it, flip it around, kind of like a button. I mean, like I said for this one, oh my god, the crazy thing is, this feels heavier than this. Yeah, I don't know what this is made of. I gotta look it up. But yeah, that thing's crazy heavy. This is like surprisingly very satisfying. Oh, I see why. It is a track slider, but like there's no like things in the middle, so it's only like at the beginning and end, and then in between it's just nice and smooth. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Like this thing. Absolutely have no idea what the prices are on these. This thing's pretty cool. I'll just keep it as desk decoration, I guess. So I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Next part will be out soon. Part 4 of this package. Yeah, it's part 4. Yep. Make sure you guys don't miss that video. That'll be all for this. Make sure to check out our channel sponsors down below. And yeah, see you guys.